In this module, we will introduce external identity management. Imagine a leading retail company gearing up for its nationwide Christmas sales event. To meet the demand, the company hires temporary contractors to handle tasks like inventory management, customer support, and logistics across multiple locations. Additionally, it onboards new employees for its flagship stores to manage the holiday rush. Each contractor and new hire requires specific access to tools like inventory systems, customer databases, and payment gateways. A contractor managing logistics in New York should not have the same access as a store associate in San Francisco. Without a streamlined system, granting and managing this access could lead to chaos, delays, or even security breaches. This is where Savynt's external identities management steps in. It enables organizations to efficiently classify external identities like contractors and new hires, ensuring they receive only the necessary access while maintaining robust security controls. In this module, we'll dive into real-world scenarios like this: how a retail company assigns roles and manages access for temporary holiday staff, how new hires across the country are onboarded seamlessly with role-based access, how organizations ensure compliance and security during large-scale hiring and onboarding events. By the end of this module, you'll clearly understand how Saviynt helps manage external identities in real-world scenarios, ensuring your organization operates efficiently and maintains robust security during dynamic and critical events. We will learn about external identity management. Understand the concept and significance of managing external users like customers, partners, and vendors while maintaining security and seamless access. Key business drivers and challenges of managing external identities. Identify the factors driving the need for external identity management and the common challenges organizations face in implementation. How Saviynt helps in managing external identities. Explore how Saviynt provides advanced solutions to secure and simplify external identity management, improving security and user experience. Saviynt solutions across various industries. Learn about the diverse applications of Saviynt solutions tailored to meet industry-specific needs. Overview of Saviynt SKUs and modules. Gain insight into the different Saviynt SKUs and modules, understanding how they align with business requirements for identity governance and access management. In this lesson, we will learn about external identity management overview. Let's learn about the external identity management overview. External identity management refers to managing the identities and access rights of external individuals or entities interacting with an organization's systems and data. These external identities could include contractors, vendors, partners, customers, and other third-party users who need controlled access to resources without being regular, full-time employees. External identity management in Saviynt ESC is a structured process for managing identities and access rights of external entities such as vendors, contractors, and third-party workers. It involves seamlessly integrating external users into the system through onboarding, handling changes to their roles, responsibilities, and access throughout their association with the organization through lifecycle management, and ensuring governance by enforcing access controls and compliance standards. This approach ensures that external entities are granted appropriate access while maintaining robust security.